Jupiter in Cancer has been revisiting the same lesson since November. On June 6th, it clears the shadow. Quick mechanics first. When a planet goes retrograde and then turns direct again, it isn't actually finished. It still has to travel all the way back over the exact degree where the whole thing kicked off. Astrologers call that post-retrograde shadow. Jupiter went retrograde at about 25 degrees Cancer back in November. June 6th is the day it finally clears that degree for good. Shadow's over. And it matters that this is Cancer. Jupiter is exalted here, which is the old word sign for where a planet does some of its best work. This is where Jupiter deals in the emotional stuff, feeling safe, knowing you belong somewhere, being at home in your own life. But Cancer asked for a container first, somewhere solid for all that to actually land. And if the last several months had you circling the same situation, the same stuff about home and family, the same questions about who actually shows up for you, that was the work. The first pass through it, the long backtrack, the slow climb forward again. That was the container being built. Those months weren't being wasted, you were just preparing. So on June 6th, Jupiter is finally free of that shadow. A few days later, Venus catches up to it right there in Cancer. When those two meet in a water sign, that's the kind of thing you actually feel. Want to see where this is landing for you? You can pull up your chart and find which house holds Cancer. That's a part of your life that's been reworking this whole time. Search birth chart augury and you can get all that there. It's free, no sign up.